Welcome to the TBS Get Paid web portal. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the widgets available on your dashboard and how to use our chat feature. Once logged into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Here, you'll see several widgets. At the very top is your pay-per-view summary. This widget provides a quick overview of your schedules and invoices and exactly where they are in the funding process. Clicking any of the statuses in either the Schedules area or Invoice area will take you to your Purchase History tab. Your Purchase History tab shows you detailed information about each schedule or invoice. Next, you have a widget that shows your current AR balance. Beside that is a Quick Start widget where you can quickly create an invoice by clicking the Create Invoice button. Similarly, the second Quick Start widget allows you to quickly check credit by clicking the Check Credit button. Underneath those, you will see several informational widgets. The first shows your customers past due, 60 days or more. The next widget shows your top customers from the last 30 days. The final widget on this line shows the open AR of your top 5 customers. At the bottom, you'll see two overview graphs. The first shows your schedule activity for your last 5 purchase schedules. The second shows your year-to-date monthly factoring totals. Back at the very top of your dashboard is a search bar at the top right corner. The search bar is accessible from any page or tab. The search bar will search through your invoices, customers, and even your POs and load numbers for whatever you type in. You can type in numbers, letters, or both. Our chat bubble is available on every screen at the bottom left-hand corner, no matter what page or tab you're on. At any point, click the chat bubble to speak with us. You'll see our phone number at the top if you'd prefer to call us. Underneath that, you have the option to continue an existing conversation or start a new conversation. At the bottom, you can search for help. When you start a new conversation, there will be some auto-suggestions to help steer you in the right direction and get you connected with the right TBS department. We're available 24/7 through our chat feature, and it's available on the web portal and in our mobile app. The TBS Get Paid web portal is not only the easiest, but also the smartest way to access, manage, and track your factoring business with TBS.